With the release of the new iOS 26 update, there's a new home screen customization that can make all your app icons appear clear. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how you can make your app icons clear on iPhone with iOS 26. Now let's get started. If you haven't updated your iPhone yet, check out this video to learn how to upgrade to iOS 26. To make your iPhone app icons appear clear, go to your home screen and hold down any app icon. Then select Edit Home Screen. Tap Edit in the top left corner. Then select Customize. At the bottom, select Clear. You can choose if you want to use the light theme, dark theme, or auto based on whether your device is set to dark mode or light mode. When finished, tap outside of the menu to exit customization mode. All of your app icons and widgets will then be set to clear mode. This allows your wallpaper to shine through and gives a really nice cohesive look to your app icons. That's all it takes to make your app icons clear in iOS 26. Want to learn about more new features offered in this iPhone update? Check out this video next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.